Let's say that you are working in SQL Server and you want to enter an apostrophe, but you see that when you do enter it, it thinks that that is the end of that string, but you have more. So how do we work around this? The solution is referencing the ASCII table. ASCII stands for the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Basically, every letter and character has a number assigned to it. So I'm going to look in the red sections for what I want to enter, such as this apostrophe, and then I'm going to grab the number in the first column in that section. So for apostrophe, let's grab 39. And going back to our script, I'm still going to keep the ending apostrophe there, and let's do plus, character, 39, another plus, start the next string again, and that S, enter the S to be our ownership, because this is Susan's store. Enter it, and review your data. And now we see Susan's store, and it has the apostrophe. Let's go ahead and commit that change. For this next example, I'm also going to enter another record, but this time using character 10. And character 10 is the new line number. So scrolling down, some other places where you can use the character number is not only doing inserts, but for anything else if you have updates to do. So let's say for all of our locations, we want to add a exclamation mark. So an exclamation mark is number 33. So in our update, I'm saying for all of our locations, I want to replace it with still the location, but adding character 33. Highlight. Before we commit, always review. All of our names now have exclamation marks. And commit. Another scenario could be, what if you are working on possibly data migration, moving data from one system to another, and you have issues with the import. It might be special characters. So you can use this to do some data cleanup. I'm going to take my location and replace that character 10, that new line that we did in the last import, in the last insert, and replace it with nothing. It is just two apostrophes side by side. There's no space in the middle. I'm just saying replace it with nothing. Execute. And commit. Final notes. Some of the most common character numbers that I have worked with personally would be the char or car character 39, 10, and 13, being the apostrophe, new line feed, and character turn. And even then, when I use characters 10, 13, it was mostly for replacing them with nothing or data cleanup. And that is how you can use numerical values to represent symbols and letters for an easier time making updates in SQL Server. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful and wish to spot me a coffee sometime, you can leave a one-time tip or donation at ko-fi.com/VeeBee coding, which is always appreciated. If you have a scenario in mind, feel free to forward them to me at askveebcoding@gmail.com, and I'll consider them for future videos. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.